We were just sent this really nice console table for your living room, bedroom, hallway, pretty much anywhere that you want a really nice statement piece. I mean, this is actually 63 inches long and a little over 33 inches high, so it does provide a nice height for it could even be a sofa back table. This has a lot of really neat features, and they did send you with some straps and some mounting bracket on the back that you can attach this to a wall if you really felt like you needed to, but it is pretty sturdy. It is built really nice using this open leg design, which I like because you could even put something down here to view from the side, and it does have this really pretty fluted front edge on this. It really adds a lot of detail, a lot of texture to that. It did already have feet attached onto the bottom, so they did have some feet, so if you're concerned about it being on your floor, it does have those nice feet that allow that to slide around on your floor, which is really nice. Loving the grain on this. This is the natural brown. They also have a lighter color as well, but this darker color worked really well for us as far as to blend in with our actual living room. So this would provide a nice statement piece for anyone's living room looking to elevate your living space.